Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got a powerful PlayStation 5 and right there, a beautiful iMac screen. It's natural to wonder if you can just plug them together, using that gorgeous display for your gaming sessions. Many gamers ask this very question, hoping for a simple HDMI cable solution. Wouldn't that be convenient? A way to make the most of your existing tech? Let's explore the real answer. Here's the crucial detail. Your iMac, especially newer models, doesn't have an HDMI input port. While it has USB and Thunderbolt, those are for accessories or data, not for receiving video directly from another device like a PlayStation. Apple stopped supporting target display mode a long time ago, meaning you can't just use your iMac as a passive monitor. So, a straightforward cable connection, sadly, isn't an option. So if a direct HDMI plug-in isn't possible, what's the closest you can get? The only practical way to route your PlayStation 5's HDMI signal to an iMac is by using a video capture card. This clever little device takes the HDMI output from your PlayStation and translates it into a format your iMac can understand, typically over USB. You simply plug your PS5 into the card into your iMac, and then view your game through special software. It's an extra step, but it works. Beyond the capture card, there's another excellent way to play your PS5 on your iMac: Sony's official PS Remote Play app. This free application lets you wirelessly stream your entire PlayStation 5 experience directly to your computer. It's incredibly convenient, requiring no extra hardware beyond your console and iMac. Just make sure you have a strong, stable internet connection at home for the smoothest, most enjoyable gameplay. So, which method is right for you? If you prioritize minimal latency and a high-quality wired connection, a capture card is your best bet, though it does require an extra purchase. However, if ease of setup and wireless convenience are more important, then PS Remote Play is likely the ideal choice. Both options provide a fantastic way to enjoy your PlayStation 5 games on that gorgeous iMac display. Choose the one that fits your gaming style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.